Menteri rang ba kajala ukon rat ke Sangma ulapan bena baga kinhun Menteri Sorkar kala Mynjur ya ki kyndon treikam na kabenta ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University kendang man penbait renti ya kajing treikam jongka. Ki kyndon treikam bala Mynjur ki kentup ya ki benta bapher kaba kentup ya ka academic calendar, admission, fee structures, course structure, bat kajing penyat ya ki exam na kabenta ka postgraduate. Kidan buon ki kindon ki bakan thop khat waitli baro ki bahab an Mynjur da ka kinhun menteri bat ya kanila Mynjur menta kasngi ong ukon ran habakran shakilat thai kubor hakasan tarik rempang hadia deka jingalang haba benram pakade kan yarap pan penbait renti ya kajing terekam Jongka University.
There were proposals for approval of the regulations of the Captain Williamson Sangma University. As you all know, there are regulations under which the universities function, whether it's the regulations on the common academic calendar for both undergraduate and the postgraduate programs, regulations on admission to postgraduate departments, regulation on fee structure of the postgraduate departments, regulation on course structure of the master's program, regulation on master's degree program in arts, science, commerce, law, library and information science, regulation in conduct of exams for master's degree, program in arts, science, commerce, library, information science, so on and so forth. There are multiple regulations, totaling 11 of them, which has to be cleared by the cabinet, and that was approved today. And based on this, the functioning of the university will be streamlined.